What's up, YouTube? Thank you for tuning into my channel today. This is actually going to be my very first episode starting up here with my fitness channel. I just kind of wanted to give you guys a little breakdown of what my channel is going to be consisting of. It's going to be starting with a series of workouts, pretty much rendering in all levels of difficulty, just to make sure that I am touching down on all platforms and audiences. One of the really cool perks of these workouts, too, is that you're not necessarily going to need a gym to complete them. Most of this material can actually be done with, pretty much just your basic body weight and 5 feet of space in front of you. So it should be able to help us kind of limit our excuses like, I don't have time to go to the gym or whatever the case may be. So it's pretty much a win-win for everyone. And on top of it, it's not going to require much of your time. And I'm going to be hooking you guys up with a bunch of awesome healthy recipe videos that you wouldn't believe you're going to be able to fit into your macros and actually gain a bunch of nutritional value from. Starting all the way from what to shop for when you're cutting, when we're bulking, how to shop when we're on a budget. Then I'm going to be touching down with a series of basketball tips and workouts, just because ball's been life for me ever since I can remember. So I'll be showing you guys some good stuff that I've learned over the years that I wish I could have picked up a long time ago. So I'll be doing my best to make sure I'm staying consistent with giving you guys a bunch of good content to work with. And before I get any further, I just wanted to give a special shout out to all the people that I've had the privilege and opportunity of working with over the years. I just wanted to say thank you guys for all your hard work and all the inspiration that you've provided me to kind of branch out and do my own thing. I will be making sure that I stay consistent as possible with dropping these videos for you guys and leaving you with a bunch of good content to work with. And yeah, so that's going to be a wrap for this episode. Next episode, I will be going over the high-intensity interval training style workouts that I was speaking about earlier in the video. So until next time, make sure you guys please hit that subscribe button for your boy. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that. Comments, questions, concerns, much appreciated. I got nothing but love for you guys. So until next time, stay positive, be successful, and dream big.